We'll guide you through how to format an external SSD for a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With an SSD, you can then go and back up files onto it and move files onto it, and you can go and use it as another storage device. It's really convenient, so we're going to guide you through how you can go about formatting it correctly. Because if it's formatted incorrectly, then you may go and find that you can only go and read files from it, you can't go and write files to it, aka move files onto it. And it's just always best to make sure that it's correctly formatted. So we're going to guide you through this in this guide. So to get started, go and connect the SSD. I already have, you can see it on my desktop. But also if we go and open up Finder and we go on to the left, we scroll down, we can go and find it here as well. So it's important to note that when we go and format it, we are going to go and lose the files currently on it. So what we want to do is go and back them up if they're important to you. So what we can do here is you can go and right click or click with two fingers on some blank space on your desktop, press new folder. Then you can give this a name. I'll name this drive and press enter. Now what we can do here is we can go and back these up. So you can go and click, hold and drag to select them, or press Command A. Then you can click, hold and drag, and you want to go and drag them into the folder like so, and wait for them to go and copy. And you can always go and open it up just to make sure you successfully gone and done that, just to double check. Now, what we can do is we can go and get into the next step. So we can come and close out of this. Now, to go and format it, we're going to be using an app. Don't worry, this app is already on the Mac. Go to the top right and you can press search, and you need to go and type in disk utility. Press enter, and here we are in the app. Now, to get started, you want to go to the left of disk utility, press view, and you can press show all devices. Come into external, and you may need to press the arrow to the left of the drive you want to do it with. Of course, make sure you're definitely doing it with the right drive. Make sure you go and have it selected like so. And then what you need to do is go to the top right and you can go and press erase. So in order to go and reformat, you have to erase it all. As I said, it says erase and reformat the selected volumes. We can go and select it, go and give it a name. I'm going to go and name this guide. Now, what you can do for scheme is go and set it to GUID partition map. Now for formats, there are different options here. If you're using this just on a Mac, you can go and use APFS. That's a really great option. If you plan on using it also on Windows, then make sure you go and use exFAT like so. So I like to go and use this across Windows and my Mac, so exFAT is going to be the best option. So we'll then go and press erase, and everything's now going to be erased from it, and it's going to go and be formatted. So that's it. You can press done. Now, if we go and open up the drive on our desktop, you're going to see it's empty. And if you, of course, you can find in your folder as well and select it there. So that's it. I'll just go and open up my backed up files here, and I'll go and put them back onto the drive. And that's it. You've successfully gone and formatted it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to help you out again. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.